In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an auto reply in Facebook Messenger using the Manychat AI chatbot. This is a fantastic way to engage with your audience more effectively without needing to be online all the time. Plus, it's a straightforward process that takes just about 5 minutes to set up. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to start by accessing your Manychat account. If you haven't already logged in, go ahead and do so. Once you're in your account, you'll want to move over to the automation section within your Manychat dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. It's the hub for creating and managing your automated interactions, allowing you to streamline communication and free up your time for other tasks. Next, we'll be creating a new automation for your Facebook Messenger. You'll see a button labeled New Automation. Click on that and you'll want to choose the Messenger channel. This selection ensures that your automation is set to the correct platform, allowing it to interact seamlessly with your Facebook audience. Now let's talk about triggers. The trigger is what tells Manychat when to send your auto reply. In this case, you'll be setting the trigger to when someone messages your page. This means that anytime a new message comes into your Facebook page, Manychat will automatically activate the response you've set up. It's the perfect way to ensure that your audience receives prompt interaction even if you can't respond immediately yourself. With the trigger set, it's time to design your reply. This part uses the Flow Builder, an intuitive tool that lets you craft the exact messages you want to send. Here you have the freedom to type out your desired auto reply message. You can include personalized elements such as using the recipient's first name to make your interactions feel more human and engaging. Take a moment to think about the tone and content you'd like to convey, ensuring it aligns with your brand's voice. Once you've designed your reply, it's essential to save and activate your automation. This step is crucial because saving your setup doesn't automatically put it into action. Double check that everything looks good and then go ahead and switch on the automation. This ensures that as soon as someone sends a message to your page, your well-crafted auto reply will be sent out instantly. And there you have it, you've just created an auto reply system in Facebook Messenger using Manychat. Remember, setting up automations like these can significantly enhance your customer interactions, providing your audience with timely responses while saving you from the need to manually reply to each incoming message. Thanks for following along, and I hope this setup helps take your Facebook page to the next level of efficiency and engagement.